Okay, do your sounds. Okay, now put it away. Use the force. Turn your lightsaber again.
My pillar. Shall we continue? My pleasure as well.
Here comes the princess.
You're Darth Vader. You're the Ventress, because Ventress is a girl. You now will not come. You will come to the good side, Ventress. Now, did you know?
Never.
Mama, did you know Ventress is trained by Obi Kenobi?
He had a bad luck there.
Man, yeah, I don't think his teacher certificate should be looked into credentials.
Like this. It's not my pleasure. And Obi Kenobi goes, shall we continue?
My pleasure.
Shall we continue?
I'm doing a hard job of editing here. Whoa, whoa, don't get the cameraman. Whoa, 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 get away from the cameraman. Ow, you got the cameraman.
Not so hard, it will break, bud.
Try to get me.
Shall we continue?
No, that's Obi Kenobi. Shall we continue?
My pleasure.
You think you can beat me?
I think I can.
That little green from. Whoa, how?
You're gonna break something.
Well, why don't you do the con lines?
My nose feels weird.
That's not the con line.